Hey, what is going on, guys? Today we are going to work on the Miata. We're going to swap diffs with Kevin's and then maybe raise up the car a little bit because I can't drive practically right now. But before all of that, we're going to go eat. And we're going to eat shitty dining hall food. See you there. You know what? That wasn't as bad as I expected today. Usually on the weekends it's kind of shitty. Pretty good. Alright, so something that I did yesterday that I didn't get a chance to record was I painted the trunk, this panel right here, this rocker panel, and the rear bumper. And so it looks a lot better now, all in white. Need to start working on the rest of the car now, but for now at least it looks okay instead of having these big splotches of metal on the trunk. Yeah, now we're gonna head to the gas station, get some gas, and then head over to Tien's, do some Miata things. We have arrived. There he is.
I wrote down.
What?
I wrote down.
Oh shit. I think he put the BCs on in the front. Let's check it out. Jesus. Get over. Kevin's over there. Nice. There's the man. The man who built this car.
My old baby. I miss it.
Check out the back.
It looks different.
Oh, you don't even know.
It's actually one color. Wow.
Yeah, it's all one color now.
It actually looks really good.
Thank you. Alrighty, so we have diff.
Oh, my bearings.
Right there.
You put my bearings in here? I don't want them in my house. There's a trash can. I don't want them in my trash can.
Alright.
I was gonna say.
So we're gonna swap this into that. And then put that one.
I was gonna weld it, right?
I'm gonna weld it? Maybe.
Yeah, you are.
We'll see.
The slides.
Oh yeah, the skids.
The slides.
So we need to jack this thing up. And then we'll show you step by step how to swap a diff. Put a new one in. Let's do it. So a list of things you guys are gonna need to do this diff swap is a jack stand, the diff, and a toolbox full of.
We don't know which ones yet.
Yeah, we don't know which ones yet. We forgot. So we're just gonna have the whole toolbox, and then we'll tell you which ones you need when we go along there.
What the hell is this?
Yeah, so this pin is broken. So see right there. You have to push the pin in.
Why don't you just get like a paper clip and put it to this side?
Yeah, well, that is a very good point.
You don't even need to. It's hard out here to afford a paper clip.
Yeah, we out here in college.
Yeah, we're at college.
Can't afford anything out here.
Damn, you clear this?
Barely.
Barely.
Yeah.
Wow, low life. Literally, it's like
That's a lifestyle,
nothing,
bro. Low life.
Damn it.
You should have been there last night. Actually, don't. You shouldn't.
Some lift, bro.
We had to cut the lower mount off the old BC.
Oh yeah, we literally cut the coil in half.
Subi crossing.
Bit muddy.
Yeah, I wish I had a Subaru. Shut up.
Shut up, you have one.
No, I got a Miata.
You have that too.
I drove it yesterday.
Oh yeah, how was it?
People were giving me compliments, but it wasn't my car.
Alright, so once you have the car jacked up, make sure you get your jack stands in. And, well,
It's fine. Ignore the noises.
Janky as fuck. Alrighty. Now we're gonna lay this cardboard piece. Oh yeah, it's always good to have some extra cardboard laying around, just so you don't get your back dirty.
That's an optional.
It is very optional.
You gotta clean your eyes then.
But, since we're coming out under the car and we're in the parking lot, we're just gonna send it. And this car is...
in 2 reserved spaces.
Yeah. It doesn't matter, nobody parks here anyway. Ooh, vape god.
Clouds, bro. Yeah, this been leaking. It's been leaking when you gave it to me.
Just a little leaky?
A little bit.
It's your diff.
That's true.
Alright, so what size is that?
This is 12
That's a 12
for the.
drive shaft?
Yep.
Alright. Drive shaft.
So have
bolts
someone put
are
in like
12.
here. Alright, that's different size.
They're different sizes. Alright, 14?
It was bigger.
15.
Is it right? It's bigger? Yeah.
17.
You might be right with the 14.
14, I think it's 14.
There's never a day where I don't see Kevin under a car.
Yeah.
Okay, there's only 4 bolts for the drive shaft. So apparently they're 2 12s and 2 14s? Is
I don't
what
think
it
these are right because it's
They're
3
probably
14s
not
and a single 12.
Oh, okay. So we just have a fucked up drive shaft. Alright, that's cool.
Kevin bought a car like this.
Yeah, I
That's
bought
all
the car like this.
It's janky. But it's okay. So you guys will probably have normal bolts.
I don't know
All
what
the
size they
same
are. I think they
size.
might be 12s.
Yeah,
with lock washers.
Okay.
Alex doesn't have any lock washers. But it's okay.
Yikes.
And then
I'm out here
These.
living the dangerous life out here. So these bolts right here,
that's
these
30s.
ones, these are 14s. They're, yeah.
Aha.
Aha.
Right. Anyone got a hammer? I'm at it. Or do you want to pull on it? Or push on it? Yeah.
Oh shit!
Jesus, everything on this car is a 14.
It's the lifeguards. Lifeguards. Fucking Coast Guard.
It's the lifeguard.
Coast Guard, not lifeguard. Where's police driving right now? Why is there police driving? That's usually you.
It's probably us right now.
There's a wrench.
Alright, so the side we just took off was a 14, but this side's a 17. Dude, there's mismatched bolts everywhere.
Well, the bolts are flipped.
No,
Oh, hi.
Oh,
Hello.
shit.
Alright.
Is that the right size?
Hi. Use your foot.
Wow, you put it on pretty tight.
I didn't put it on time.
Oh.
Use your foot.
They impacted it in.
Oh.
They impacted that shit?
Yeah.
Uh.
No, they didn't. We snapped on. Used a snapped on wrench.
Oh.
Snapped on.
Well, snap it off.
Ow, the pinch wheel went in my ear.
You use your foot.
Nice.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Got it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Ow. Oh, no. Okay, it just came back.
Alright. We're good. Please tell me these ones are
out
the
there.
right ones. Hey, can we get a...
Can we get a knee break down here? Wait, am I going the right way? No, I'm not. It's this way. Ow! Got it.
That sucks.
17th.
Alright, so we got these 4 bolts out on each side. You gotta unbolt those. And then the subframe bolts are 17s. These ones up here that we need to drop look to be about
I think
10
12
or 12.
And then
And
those
then
are
that one is probably a 17
yeah,
as well.
those are 17s too.
And so we just drop all those. Are we dropping the subframe bolts first?
I'd do this one first.
Oh.
Just because these actually hold it to the car. Those
Okay.
doesn't really do anything. Except hold it to the transmission.
Sounds like a plan.
Oh, I got you your shift knob too if you need it.
Oh yeah, let's pick that up for a second. Alright, so we got one of the bolts out. Taking out the
I know
second
this
one.
bolt needs like a little washer down here.
Yeah, it's
which
on the second one.
Take that
on the
out,
broken one?
and then we can take these out and then we'll just drop the diff. Alright,
Okay, I'll be here.
we need to get the Accord because I have all the tools in the Accord. Car's too low. Alright, while we were gone, Kevin, the OG, fucking took out the diff.
We were gone for like 5 minutes.
We were gone for less than 5 minutes. Honda gang. Kevin has a Honda. We're all Honda gang, but he doesn't have his car.
And Miata. You guys are Miata bros.
And we're Yada bros. Next up, Subaru.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Gonna drop this one in.
Alright, what are we doing?
We have to balance it on the jack and then slip these holes up into.
You guys here.
Oh, is it running?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll balance it.
We drove up the hill and my exhaust was just dragging on the ground.
Was it? Back here. Put it on there.
Pull it back up.
Roll it in here. Center. I have no idea. You see where it's supposed to go though?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it tight? Oh my god, this jack.
Boys, man's destroying his own bumper.
Hey, it was already destroyed. I fixed it.
You're welcome.
We've got the diff. Well, he got the diff out. He's putting the open diff back in.
Man.
Is your side lined up?
Nope.
Okay, my side's starting to go in. So.
Crotch shot.
Oh.
Get the diff. Let me find a better angle. Installing the axles into the diff.
You might have to loosen.
Lower it down a little bit.
The diff's balancing on the jank jack.
Don't drop it. Ooh, that's such a sketchy angle. Okay.
You go see that.
I'm pretty aligned right now.
Okay, I can't see my sides. So. Let's see if I can put my fingers up there. Right.
Yeah, keep going. All the way up. Oh, hello. What is that? Oh,
You're my tripod.
update the dips in. Tighten up all the bolts. It's in there.
Yo, so we just got the diff in. Well, Tina already said that. But I'm gonna take off these front wheels and raise the car up just a little bit because I can handle the low life. I just don't like it. Yeah, I can't handle this offset. So we're gonna raise it up just a little. I think.
I know, I couldn't handle the offset. That's why I gave it to. That's why Alec has it.
Yeah, bitch boy. What?
I mean, look at you, the Prince Leo with hair waving in the wind.
So it turns out we don't have the right spanner wrenches for the Miata or even this car. We were gonna raise it up so we could go to Canada. So we're gonna take the Accord to Canada tonight. But what are we doing? Slamming the car.
We're literally just gonna pull the collars out. See what happens.
All right. Taking out the purchase.
Put the stand on it.
Let's take this bolt out and then.
What was it? 19?
No, it's
14?
small.
17?
14.
Look at that there.
It's like 14. Raise it up now. So with the jack.
Push out.
Easy, easy.
Lemon squeezy. So if you guys need
More?
anything fixed, use a zip tie.
Life hacks.
Life hacks. Honda hacks.
Jack hacks.
Honda hacks on the jack.
It's from Ontario, California.
Can?
Oh, Canada.
Ontario, California.
I didn't see it. I see California. I'm fucking tired, bro.
I brought the big wing out here,
Big wing.
and we're test fitting it on all three of these cars, but look at the Civic with this fucking wing on it. It looks kind of fucking dope. From the front, it looks really good.
At least you're tucking tires.
I'm not sure from the rear, but I think it looks alright. Damn. And now we're test fitting on the Miata. Oh, yeah, it.
Like this too.
Hmm.
It's because the stands are low.
Yeah, those are low mount stands.
Plus the shoe's expensive.
Alright. He loves the wing, so it's his.
It's his now.
Well,
It's
not
his
yet.
now.
I still owe him money.
It's his. It's practically his.
Practically his.
Yeah, we're just gonna restore it because this is like some
Oh, yeah,
fake
look at
carbon
this.
shit.
No,
What
it's
the
real.
fuck is this?
It's real.
Oh, it's
just-
real,
yeah,
bro. Is it real?
Yeah.
Oh
Look at
shit!
this.
Look at that.
What is that?
Spray paint. Is that light?
It's kind of loose. Never mind.
Whoa!
Oh, it's
Alright guys, we are headed to Canada.
Oh shit, rabbit!
We almost ran over a rabbit, but it's alright. We're headed to Canada, gonna have a good time in night market. Got Kevin back,
Yeah.
got Tina here.
Hella shit.
Hella shit.
Not shit. We have
I don't want to eat shit.
Like actual food. Like
I want to eat real food.
I mean, Kevin eat shit. That's his finish though. That's okay. That's sick. You said it.
I'll see you guys there.
Are you dumb?
Never block the intersection. Cop just got some. Alright guys, we are in Canada. We are at a casino right now exchanging some money. Tian just pulled some out. I just exchanged some. Kevin's doing his now. And then... oh, we're headed out. Alright, we made it. Alright guys, line's fucking huge.
No.
And we didn't make it.
It's a fail, man.
Dude, he's mad, bro.
I'm hanging.
Oh, fuck, we're both mad. But yeah, it's alright. We're gonna go find a nice restaurant in Richmond. Gonna go eat some food. Get some boba maybe? I don't know. Fuck.
Is there boba? Boba Chinese restaurant.
Alright. Yeah, we're gonna hit that. See you guys there.
That's what I mean by that.
We made it and there's a fucking line. You gotta be kidding me, right? No. Oh no, Kevin, what do you think? You mad too? I'm pretty mad. It looks like there's a long line.
There's another line here.
Oh. You did find an S2K though. Alright, we out here taking fucking L's, man. That last place has a 2-hour wait.
We're taking L's all over. I might just take an L for tonight. I'm gonna drink hella tonight. Fuck that.
What's going on here? What are you doing?
Drinking the wine.
Yeah, I'm drinking the wine and I'm drinking a lot of Smart Ice.
Oh, dude,
Are
wine.
you recording right now?
Oh yeah, what's
Okay,
up?
so my name's EJ. We took like a whole bunch of L's today. The first L we took was at the border. We had 3 hours in line.
Oh yeah.
Then after that, we got to the night market. We saw a long line. Another L. Then we were like this far away from getting our ticket, and then they sold out. So 3 L's in a row.
Damn. I'm taking a dub right here.
We took a fourth L because we couldn't park.
Oh, that's true. Oh, we can park either, yeah.
Look on Robata.
Gonna get that katsu.
What is it?
Alright, got the whole squad out here.
I got $60. I'm gonna spend $60
Lit,
here.
dude.
Yeah.
Lit.
It's an appetizer, right?
Man, we out here. Got some katsu.
At some place.
All the sashimi and sushi out here, man. Tian got ripped off.
Okay.
Alright, cheers.
Oh, we're gonna touch meat.
No, just
We're gonna tap meat.
oh, cheers.
That's cross contamination.
You just polluted.
Cross contamination.
Yo, we clean up good.
Except for that.
Right there.
Can't bring that over the border.
Oh shit, never mind.
Just don't declare.
I forgot we're in a different country.
Alright guys, we made it.
We made it.
Yeah. Let's get out of here. Too many L's. Good food though, good food.
Good food, but
We out here.
the move.
Not the move. See you guys back.
Waiting.
Border crossing.
Again. Doing it again.
What's up? Taking another L yet again.
Another one.
We out here.
We'll see how long we're here this time.
Hey guys, we're finally back. It's 3 in the morning. Didn't really do what we planned to do, but you know what? We still made it work and we still had a lot of fun. Got a good group of people and had just really enjoyed it. So if you guys like that kind of content, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm so tired. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm going to bed. Good night.